Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss cultivable seaweeds. So some of the seaweeds, right? Seaweeds are microscopic algae growing in the sea, grouped into green, brown, red and blue-green algae. In Japan and China, farm stable food also used as fodder and fertilizers. Contain 60 trace elements whose concentration is higher than terrestrial plants. Seaweeds, the only source of agar, algin, and carrageenan, phytochemicals that have wide application in food, confectionery, pharmaceuticals, dairy, and paper industry as gelling, stabilizing, and thickening agents. In India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and we have even Gulf of Mannar have rich resources of seaweeds. The total resource of seaweeds in India are about 17,000 tons. Large scale sea farming originated in Japan with the culture of non or the laver Phyrephora species. Culture of laminaria is dominated in China. High protein content 35 to 35.6 in dried nori. High level of vitamin A, B, B12, B6, B2, C, and biotin. High protein content, high level of vitamin A, B, B2, B6, B12, C, and biotin contain higher amounts of important minerals like calcium and iron than vegetable and fruits. The main groups of algae cultivated for food are red algae, that is we call it Rhodophysia, example Porphyra species, brown algae, Phogophysia, example Laminaria species, green algae, Chlorophysia, example Enteromorpha, Compressa, Monostroma. So these are the Phyrephora, Undaria Prontifida, Enteromorpha species. Many edible seaweed requires temperature between 10 to 20 degrees for rapid growth. Largely intertidal and subtidal species are reproduced both sexually and asexually. Some red algae exhibit biophasic type of alternative generation, some triphasic. Culture system, Porphyra culture place bundles of twigs or rocks or concrete blocks for monospores to settle on. These are then transferred to shallow areas for development of thali to decide size. The common method, nets with large mesh 15 to 15 centimeter and blends made of 10 to 15 centimeter to collect spores and transfer to suitable areas for growth. Blasting rock surface or rock reefs to expose for additional surface area for propagation is common practice, particularly for laminaria and undaria culture. Yuchima culture in China, that is cutting of plants or inserted in subtropical reefs by divers, a new method fastening cutting to coral branches with the rubber strings and dropped them into reefs. Wrapped and rag culture, it is practiced in Japan and China. Laminaria is cultured on long lines in China, Philippines and Taiwan. Gracilaria and Calabara are grown in ponds following a procedure common to fish culture such as pond fertilization, water management, and disease and pest management. Large scale seaweed culture for waste recycling and industrial uses is practiced in North America. Unattached masses of algae are grown in raceway and greenhouse flushed with seawater. So these are the so far we discussed the culture practices of seaweeds. Thank you very much.